Today, we will demonstrate how to create the step-by-step window in an LEGO instruction manual. We will use the example of the creator set train. First, create the model in Studio following the steps in the official instruction manual. Then, proceed to the instruction manual creation page. Scroll down to find this page. For this type of instruction manual window, we generally need to use submodels. Select these 4 parts, right-click, and choose Create Submodel from the context menu. In the bottom list, click on View Steps to start dividing the submodel into steps. Select the parts one by one and use Step After to split the submodel into 3 steps. Once completed, click on Page Design to enter the instruction manual page design. Find this page again and click on it. Perform editing operations in the page display area. In the first step, adjust the viewing angle of the submodel. Click the left mouse button within the blue frame on the page. In the Parameters control panel on the right side, click on Change Step View and modify the Y-axis angle to 80. In the second step, create the parts assembly demonstration images. In each step, select the parts to be moved one by one. In the Parameters control panel on the right side, click on Activate Buffer Exchange and modify the distance to be moved. Also, remember to change the color of the arrow to red. The 3D coordinate system on the parts represents the direction of movement. Adjust the X-axis for forward and backward movement, the Y-axis for up and down movement, and the Z-axis for left and right movement. You can also fine-tune the position of the arrow. In the global style settings, you can disable the red outline for newly added parts. Go back to the page display area, click within the blue border, and select Convert to Callout to create the step-by-step window. Finally, adjust the layout of the page. Add rounded corners to the window. Hide the parts list for the current step, and use top padding to move the display position of the step number downward. Fine-tune the page layout again. Move the arrow of the window. You can also fine-tune the red arrows in the steps. Change the background color of the page to a light blue, and you're done. If you have learned something, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe this channel. See you in the next episode.